Hello, everybody, and very warm welcome back. It's been a very long time no see, I know. For those of you who used to follow my channel quite attentively in the past, you certainly noticed that there has been a very long period of time that I haven't been uploading anything, which was due to the reason that I didn't really manage to find a lot of time to produce my videos anymore. I have gone through quite a busy period with a lot of changes going on due to some developments and changes in my professional life, some new job opportunities arising for me, and also a couple of changes in my in my private life. So yeah, finally now, as you can see, I'm living in a new apartment. This is my new personal home office from which I'm going to be able to film my new videos. We moved to a new apartment rather recently, and yeah, it seems like I may actually be able to have a little bit more free time in the future to produce more videos for you. I cannot really promise at what frequency or interval I'm going to be able to upload new material. I would like to be very careful with my promises, but I will most certainly be able to upload a couple of videos from time to time to add to my grammar playlist, which many of you have been so kind as to write me very nice and encouraging feedback. Thank you to those who did that at this point here. Okay, my apologies. Windows decided that this is obviously a good moment to do an update and a forced shutdown. So, sorry for the short interruption. I was about to say, or the main thing that I would like to tell you in this video is that with the very best of my intentions, I will try to be as back as I can, producing new content for you, producing new videos on a hopefully regular interval. If nothing changes dramatically in my professional life, I think, or I hope that should be realistic. And we're going to be finishing what I started, or well, the playlist interrupted at the point where I was in the middle of talking about case declension, accusative, dative declension for articles and for nouns, and I haven't quite finished that topic just yet. So there are about 2, maybe 3 more lessons in order to finish that topic properly, after which there's going to be a proper wrap up and a short review and look back at what we have covered up until this point. And then we will be starting with a new, fresh, and hopefully interesting topic after this. I hope that this video reaches as many of you as possible, because I do know that YouTube doesn't really favor my videos very much. Educational content, at least my educational content, doesn't seem to be the thing on YouTube at the moment. It may change in the future at some point with your help and with your support. So I would be very grateful if those of you who haven't yet done so would like to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed my content. And I'm looking forward to seeing you again in all of my future videos. I wish you the best of luck, success, and fun with my content. And thank you very much to all of you. See you again soon. Bye bye.